So we just picked up our Smith & Wesson Performance Center. Gonna be unboxing it here. We're gonna be shooting it. We put a Holosun 507K ring on there, and we're gonna be shooting Cordonese Critical Duty 135 grain. Zero it. There's the pistol. Make sure it's loaded. There's the dot. You guys can see it. I don't know if you can, but we're gonna open this thing up, put some oil in it, and then we're going to shoot it. So in the box, we just have firearm, 2 mags, 10 round only, because I am in New York, unfortunately. And let's see, the bag. Okay, we got a couple things, stickers. Looks like we do have a lot as well. Alright, that's pretty neat. Alright, so let's get this thing lubed up and let's shoot it. So after we got the gun loaded up, put some rounds through it. We were shooting Cordonese Critical Duty 135 grain, as well as some regular range ammo 124 grain to zero this thing. Probably put between 6 and 8, clips through it. But at this point in this video, I got it to a place where I was pretty happy with. So this is my last final clip. Put a couple rounds on target, so a circle, and just focus. Took my time with my shots. Try to put as many rounds through that circle as possible. I ended up being pretty happy with that group. So this red dot is, well, as I should say, green dot. This green dot is zeroed, and yeah, this is my new carry gun. Okay, so just an additional look, just in case you didn't get to see. It was pretty dark in my range, but that is the Shield X Performance Center. Absolutely beauty of a gun. It's going to be my new carry pistol, nice and compact. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, want to see more gun content, car content, lifestyle, whatever, like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned. Stay tuned. I got a lot of fun stuff coming to the channel. So, all right. There you go.